Why do so many students in India realize what they want to become only after engineering? I was one of them. Hello people, I'm Priya, I'm 22, a UX designer and someone who naturally gravitates towards colors, details and visual harmony. I did my engineering in CSE Data Science, and somewhere between lab exams, coding and assignments, I realized I didn't hate building things, I just didn't want to do it in black and white. I wanted creativity and design experiences. I didn't fit into the sit and code all day life. And that's when I joined DesignBoat's online bootcamp with weekend classes from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and trust me, my Sundays were not Sundaying anymore. There were so many days I felt exhausted, so many moments I questioned myself, but I didn't give up because for the first time I was learning something that actually felt like me. DesignBoat didn't just teach me tools like Figma, it taught me how to think like a UX designer. It taught me about user research, user psychology, design systems and real-world problem solving. It shifted me from being a confused engineering student to a UX designer who knows what she's building. My goal now isn't just to become a UX designer, but I want to build meaningful digital experiences. I want to design products that people actually enjoy using. I want to master the craft, but not just for aesthetics, but for impact, and to create products that makes people's life just a little easier. And if you are someone who's low-key questioning everything in your life right now, it's okay, because sometimes you don't find the right path, you design it. And for helping me discover that path, I'd like to thank DesignBoat.